Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to editable by multiple user. So if you want to settings editable by multiple user, you can right click on sheet, go to protect sheet, and then you can change the set permission. You can click in here. Okay, you can set restrict who can edit this rank. You can set into custom, and then you can add another names or email address into this editor. So you can see we have this feature multiple user by using these tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to editable by multiple users. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.